Welcome back to another exciting chemistry lesson.
Baby, you were born to win. Never give up, never give in. You were born.
In the previous lesson, we learned how to use the periodic table to determine if an atom is going to gain, lose, or share electron. We also determine, based on their group number, if the atom is going to gain a specific number of electron or lose a specific number of electron. Same electron configuration as the nearby noble gas, which is in group 8A, except for helium. And the number in front of the positive charge indicate how many electrons are lost. So in this case, we have lithium, okay? And lithium lose blank electron to form blank. And we are going to use the caret symbol to enter our exponent. So in this case, let's go back and look at lithium. Lithium is in group 1A. So therefore, it's going to lose one electron. So it loses one electron. If that's the case, what do we use to represent as lost one electron? Because a lithium atom has lost one electron, therefore it's going to have a positive one. So in this case, we have Li, just the chemical formula from the periodic table. And we are going to enter using the caret symbol. In this case, that right there. So we're going to enter it as a plus sign. But in reality, the way we write on paper will be Li plus right there. And notice how we don't have the 1 in front of plus because we know that we don't need to write the 1. Now let's go to negative monoatomic ions, which are from group 5A through group 7A, and they gain electron to have the same electron configuration as the nearby noble gas, which is group 8A. Now, of course, the number in front of the negative charge indicate instead of loss is going to be gain, okay, or gain from other atoms. In this case, we have oxygen gains blank electron to form, okay? To form, again, we're using the caret symbol to write the exponent. So oxygen is in group 6A, and all the atoms in group 6A will gain 2 electrons to form 2 minus. So all we have to do is, in this case, 2 electron, and the formula for the ions will be O2 minus. So we use the caret symbols, but in reality, it is 2 minus, okay? Now let's try another example. In this case, we have aluminum, and we know aluminum is in group 3A right here. You can see from here. So it's going to lose 3 electrons to form a charge of 3 plus. So let's go down here. We have lose 3 electrons, okay, to form what? Aluminum. Again, use the caret symbols of 3 plus, or in reality, it's pretty much Al3 plus. And this is a superscript, okay? If I'm writing this out really large, this is like that, okay? It's not the same font style. So this is called a superscript, which we use to represent the charges. Now we go to bromine for the negative monatomic ion. And bromine is in group 7A. So all the atoms in group 7A, they would gain 1 electron to form a charge of minus, okay? Specifically 1 minus. So in this case, bromine, Br, is going to gain 1 electron to form what? In this case, is form Br, again, with the caret symbol minus. But in reality, it's like this, Br minus. If I write this really big, again, this is a superscript, which indicate the charge of an ions. And that is how you use a periodic table to write chemical formula for any monoatomic ions in groups A. And then we also learn how many electrons are lost or gained to form those ions. And as always, if you have any question, feel free to take a picture of it, put it in the forum, and we will help you from there. And we'll see you next time on another exciting chemistry lesson.